Want to program a new key fob for your 2006 Chevy Suburban and save money on dealership fees? It's a straightforward DIY task. First, ensure you have a compatible key fob. Aftermarket options from Amazon or AutoZone work well, typically costing $20 to $50. You'll also need a CR2032 battery if your current fob is weak. The basic procedure involves using your ignition and door locks to sync the fob's transmitter with your Suburban's body control module. Start by inserting your key into the ignition. Cycle the ignition to the on-run position without starting the engine. Simultaneously, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on your fob. Repeat this process for any additional fobs you want to program, up to 4 total. The system should acknowledge each fob. Exit programming mode by removing the key from the ignition. If the programming fails, common issues include a faulty BCM, corrosion on connectors, or a weak fob battery. Clean any corroded connectors with contact cleaner. If problems persist, consult a professional mechanic for a diagnostic scan.